Hi, I'm Nika. I hope you're doing really well. Today, I wanted to share another one of my drawings with you, and I'm really happy you are here with me. For this drawing, I decided to work from a reference. Like always, I spent some time scrolling on Pinterest, and then I found this reference that really caught my eye. I love the pose of this character so much, and I really wanted to try recreating the feeling and movement in my own character. What really stood out to me was the anatomy of the pose. It felt very natural and expressive, and that is what inspired me the most. When I draw from a reference, I always try to focus on anatomy first. For me, anatomy is the base of everything. I try to get the body structure right first before moving on to details like clothes, hair, face, and all the small things. As you can see here, I started with the head and the overall face shape. Then I moved on to the upper body, the chest, and the arms. After that, I started designing the clothes and the hairstyle. I actually have another video where I draw anatomy first from different references and then design the clothes on top of it. In that video, I explain how I sketch from references step by step. So if you're interested, you can check that one out too. As you can see, when I sketch, my lines are very messy. I do not really care about clean shapes at this stage. My main goal is to capture the overall form and feeling of the pose. Later, I will lower the opacity of the sketch and draw the line art on top of it. So at this stage, I try to relax more, chill a bit, and just enjoy the process. After sketching, it is time for line art. This is the stage where I clean up the lines and turn the messy sketch into a clear drawing. One small tip that I personally forget a lot, but it is very helpful, is flipping the canvas from time to time and looking at your drawing in mirror mode. This helps you notice mistakes much faster and makes it easier to fix proportions and balance. The next stage is flat colors. I put each flat color on a separate layer like a skin color layer, clothes layer, hair layer, and other details. This helps me stay organized and work faster. After that, I usually add blush to the character's face. I use a warm pink color and apply it where it feels natural and soft. Then I move on to lighting. I light each part of the character separately. First, I decided where my light source is, and then based on that, I add light to the areas that need it. Since I have a reference, I also use it as a guide for lighting, at least to some extent. Each lighting layer is also on its own layer, so I can control everything better and adjust things easily. For the character's outfit, I decided to draw some stars on the clothes because I thought it was a cute idea. I feel like it adds more personality to the character. For the background, I choose a simple blue color, and together with the stars, it gives a soft sky feeling. I also added some shadows under the stars so they feel a bit more raised and not completely flat. At this point, I decided to merge all my layers and make a few duplicates. I tried different versions with different opacity levels to see which one I like the most. This is something I like to do in the later stages, just to explore more and see what looks best. For example, here I try multiply layer and overlay layer. In the final steps, I focus on small finishing details, things like the light inside the character's eyes, or adding a bit more lighting to areas like the face or the hair if they need it. These little details really help bring the character to life. And here's my drawing. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end of the video. I really hope you enjoy watching my drawing process. See you in the next video and bye!